Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mrs. Ashley and I am an advocate for petite plus size women. I am a shorty and I am plus sized. So today we are going to go into the Dia & Co box. I have my Dia & Co box with me. If you want to see what I got in November's 2018 box, just keep on watching. Okay, so if you don't know what Dia & Co, or if you haven't seen my videos before, I am reviewing their box, and they style you for $20 a month, and then that $20 does go into the styling fee, but also it also acts as a discount if you do happen to keep a product. So this month I didn't want active because we're going to be going into Thanksgiving, so I wanted a regular box from Dia & Co because I want to see what they have for me for Thanksgiving. It's my brother's birthday, so I want to have an outfit picked out for me for Thanksgiving if I don't have the time to go buy an outfit. So you always get this beautiful Dia & Co card. It says, "Ashley, thanks for letting us style you." And they also actually commented in one of my videos, and I'm really thankful for them to comment, but I still bought this with my own money. So they have the prices, and my the person that styled me was Alexandria C, and she handpicked this for me. They always send a little card that goes into every single detail. Let's see what they have for me. And I also got an email. They are very helpful with, like, if you need help styling your clothes that you got, they will do that as well. So this is the bag that if you need to return them in, they provide this bag for you, so you don't have to worry about it. Now let's get into the box. Okay, so they have the little seal like per usual. And they're always really pretty, packaged up pretty nicely. So here's what they got. And I'm going to go through every single piece of clothing, what I think about it. And I also will try it on. I'm trying to get my Instagram to where I showcase these pieces as well. So this is a color that I would not go for, but I have one. I think it was from the Kim Kardashian line or something like that. And I bought it from Sears, and it's this color, and it's this green, like forest green color. This shirt actually feels really soft and really good, and the detail up top is really good because your girl doesn't have no cleavage, so I like detail like that because it draws attention to it with being subtle. So it looks a bit flowy. It is from the brand Molly Isadora, and this was a 1X on Molly Isadora. So this looks really cute. Next, I see patterns, and I'm very skeptical about patterns because I'm not a type of pattern-y girl, but this is a dress. Okay, so they have the line in the front, like blocking, and it's very simple and flowy and kind of like really nice feeling. It's fairly airy, so you won't get too hot. I don't know what the material is, but this is from Mary Sky. It's that brand right there, Mary Sky. And it's just this really cute dress. It has like a faux block system, so instead of having a belt there, they actually separated it for you, and the bottom of this dress is flowy. So I am excited to try this because with my body shape being apple, an apple shape, I'm hoping that that will definitely cover the stomach. So the next one is this beautiful burgundy color. This is also from Molly Isadora, and it is in the 1X. OMG, I really like this right here. This is really cute. Okay, I am super in love. So it has like this gold rustic antique buttons to it on each side of the sleeves, and then it's like super cash in the front. So oh my god, this is super cute. I think this is a dress because it does, like when I'm sitting down it goes to my knees, but I am really short, so maybe it's just a really long shirt. But nonetheless, when we try it on, I think this is going to be like super cute. I'm really digging this. I'm really digging everything in this box, but so like I like that burgundy one. Oh gosh, this is okay, this scares me a little bit, and I hope, oh, and I have a little accessory. But the next item is jeans, and you guys know how I feel about jeans. These are the Jessica Simpson Kiss Me Super Skinny in a size 16 women's. I think this is going to be too small, but it is stretchy, so I don't know. We might, and they did put it in as 16 women short, so hopefully I can fit these. These seem super stretchy and super nice, so I'm super excited for all of the clothes that I just received. These are Flawless Flex, and ooh, I'm thinking that this is gonna be a Jessica Simpson. Probably is gonna be super expensive, but we shall see. Okay, and the last item is this item right here. Ooh, okay, this is different. It is a gold piece. The last time I did keep a, let me see if I can find it. Okay, so this is one of my longer necklaces that I got from Dia & Co. And I kept this one because it just spruces up any of my like super casual outfits, and I really liked this a lot. It wasn't like super my favorite, but I ended up keeping this one anyways. So let's see, they gave me a gold version. Whoops. A gold version. Oh, okay. So this is from D & Co. I don't think they have like a separate brand for this. I think this may be D & Co's like jewelry. And oh my gosh, I actually really like this because I always need something to see how, like, this is like super cash, like just a shirt and a bralette, and then you put this on, especially for like the holidays, especially with that burgundy shirt. I think it would look really nice with, because this antique gold will match the buttons on that shirt. So I want to thank you guys all for watching. My voice is going out, and I will see you guys in my next video. Like always, stay super sweet. Bye.